2021 Toyota RAV4. Got GHOST-II Immobiliser. Once we're in the vehicle, if I go to put my foot on the brake, start the engine, notice it does not say ready down in the bottom corner, and the steering wheel is locked, it's stiff. Now if we switch the vehicle off, how we start the vehicle is going to press the start button once, twice, so the lights on the dashboard come on. We're going to enter the current password. As a demonstration button, we've put it to this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll get your 2 beeps and a flash. That now allows you to put your foot on the brake and press the start button again. It says ready down in the section now, and the steering wheel has gone light. The car is on. Now, if we want to go into service mode, we can press the rear demister 5 times as the service button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. We're getting our beeps and the flashes to illuminate it's gone into a service mode. Now if I switch the vehicle off, how we know it's in a service mode is if we put our foot on the brake and press the start button, it comes on and we can drive with no password. Now once you're collecting the vehicle from the dealership or wherever you've dropped it off to, you can start your vehicle up and simply put your password again. It will give you your 2 beeps and a confirmation flash just down there. That now has reactivated the Ghost for you. If for instance we wanted to change the password, what we can do is press the start button once, twice, so your dash lights come on. We're going to enter the original password. You get your 2 beeps and a flash to acknowledge. Now on the accelerator pedal, all the way down to the floor, and we enter the old password again. Once you get your 2 beeps and your flash, we can now release the pedal and it will continue to flash, acknowledging it's in learning mode. Now the buttons you can use on this are numerous buttons. We have obviously resume plus, minus, cancel, rear demister, and a few other buttons, so on and so forth. But on here, what we can do is, for demonstration, I'm going to set it back to the same password. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and you will get your flashes as confirmation, 3 flashes of acknowledgement. Now we do the same password again. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 2 flashes to acknowledge it's confirmed, or 4 flashes to acknowledge it's been incorrect. So you then retry full steps from start to finish if you get 4 flashes. That is it. That is now your password saved, and that is how to operate the GHOST-II.